Hi everyone, I'm Vincent Leloup, the chairman of the FIDIC Contracts Committee. It's my pleasure to present you today the FIDIC online training course dedicated to the FIDIC Suite of Agreements. We will be starting this online training course pretty soon, so don't hesitate to liaise with FIDIC so as to register if you're interested. We will be covering the FIDIC Whitebook 2017 edition, which I had the pleasure to co-draft. Whitebook is typically used for clients who wish to mobilize consultant and contract services to be delivered by consultants. Typically, you use the Whitebook whenever you want to mobilize someone to act as your engineer under your works contract. So if you have a FIDIC works contract with a contractor, with someone to be acting as the engineer, you can mobilize that engineer through the Whitebook. If you are also a design-build contractor, for example, you may wish to subcontract design services to a consulting engineering firm, and that's the right firm to do so. And finally, as a client, you can of course mobilize a consultant to deliver other kind of services: master planning, feasibility study, project preparation services, assistance to project implementation, project management consultant, and so on and so forth. That's the right firm to do so. If you are a consultant now, you may wish to subcontract services, in which case you use this subconsultancy agreement. You may wish to team up with other partner firms, in which case you use the model JV agreement. Again, those two forms have been updated in 2017, and I had the pleasure also to co-draft those two forms, so I can give you some insights, of course, as to the way we envisaged the drafting when it was delivered. And finally, the REP agreements, representative agreements, whenever you want to mobilize someone to be your representative of your business interest in a country where you are not necessarily yet set up, and you want to boost your business activities in that particular country, you can safely do so by entering into this representative agreement. So these are the four forms we will look at together over 8 sessions. 2 hours each, interactive style for the sessions. You can raise questions at any time, either in written form through a dedicated chat box area, or orally. I give you the mic and you raise a question. Between sessions, I will also give you some work exercises to look at and to work on. And at the beginning of the following session, we'll do a debriefing together. And finally, you will have opportunities also to raise your own cases. So any particular issue you may have on your current consultancy assignments or your subconsultancy assignment or JV agreements, whatever, that's a good opportunity for you to raise those matters, and we will look at that together. Not, of course, in the perspective of giving any legal advice. That's not the purpose at all of this kind of online sessions. That's only for training purposes, but that may bring a new light, a new contractual light to your current difficulties. So I hope you will enjoy those sessions, and I look forward to seeing you very soon, online, and don't hesitate to either come back to me for any query you may have, or directly to FIDIC for any information about the registration and any detail you may need. Thank you, bye-bye, and I look forward to seeing you soon.